This video is for all traders who'd like to make their money on trading Bitcoin. This video also for all newbies who'd like to make their trades using professional trading indicators. In this video, I will advise what indicators I use for my trades. I will explain how to open and close your trades using these indicators. I will also advise what were my results on trading using these indicators. Also, in the end of this video, I will explain how to get an access for those indicators, so do not miss it. Push the like button, don't forget about hitting the comments. Appreciate subscribing us. This is Wealth Management channel. Let's talk about crypto. You understand that this is not the first and certainly not the last video about how to make money on crypto. You also understand that this is not the first video about trading indicators. So let's talk about the most important part of any crypto indicators is the results of using those indicators. For sure, you would like to have some kind of the feedback from other people who already used our trading indicators. So I recommend you to follow the link under this video with our Discord channel, where we have the group where our people who already get an access to those indicators left their feedbacks about those indicators and their trades. You can check it yourself that some people already made money in 2023 using our indicators, so do not miss your chance. So we are coming to our trading indicator, and the first indicator is called Moon. Moon is a crypto indicator that is based on technical analysis metrics. It helps to catch all Bitcoin price pumps and not to miss it. This indicator is used for Bitcoin USD index chart. It is used for weekly time frame. In case you mix up time frames to use these indicators on, you will have the warning on your screen about that. So let's see how it works. So as I mentioned before, this indicator works for Bitcoin index chart. To find this chart, just use your search and look for the needed pair and chart. Let's try to see how this indicator worked in the past. You can see the signal buy over here. It appeared in the middle of trading week. However, it was confirmed with the next candle. Once the candle on indicator becomes yellow, that would mean that you would need to open your position. Right now, I just recommend you to take a look at how the indicator showed the opening position and closing position. So the price was changing during some time. We opened our position in December 2022 and we closed the position in January 2023. We fixed the profit for more than 34% of rising for the Bitcoin. Regarding closing the position, it is also important to wait till the end of the week for the signal sell to be confirmed. So you need to hold your position only when price candles have yellow color. Once price candles become not yellow again, that would mean you would need to close your position. Also, we can take a look at results of those indicators during all Bitcoin pumps. As I told you before, this indicator helps to catch all Bitcoin pumps for a price movement. So we had more than 100% of horizon in June 17, 54% of horizon in September 17 during the July, August and September 17. We had rising for more than 33 and more than 75% of rising in the end of 17 year. We also had huge rising for 41% in 19, 52% in 19, and again more than 14% of rising in July 19. Then we had the bear market and we had the signal about bear market about that. Then we had another rising and we catch that rising in 2020 year. 66% of profit, 17% of profit, 52% of profit, and 16% of profit. For sure, there were some trades with a little minus, but all those minuses, they are fully covered with all those profits we made with
Bitcoin buying on this indicator.
Total profit for 2016 was more than 40%, almost 600% of profit in 2017. There were no trades in 2018, as indicators show that it was the bear market. We had more than 200% of profit in 2019, more than 250% in 2020, more than 10% in 2021, and more than 60% in 2023. Not that bad. So we are coming to another weekly indicator we use for our trades that is called HPC. It is based on technical and fundamental metrics. You may know that it is quite risky to make your trades against the price trend. So my advice, forget about all those risks and use this indicator for your trades. This indicator helps to catch all those trends changing for a Bitcoin price, so you are able to catch the right moment to buy Bitcoin before a price correction. One of the most important advantages of using this indicator is a little number of trades you have on this indicator during the year. I prefer not to spend my time on checking graphics 24/7. There are a lot of things in the life that are much better than this. So if you are looking for an indicator that will save you time, my congratulations, you found it.
So let's see how the indicator works itself. For this, you would need to use the same chart we had for a moon. You would need to use index chart. Let's see how was the position opening in December, January 2022, 2023. So this is how the buy signal appeared, and after that the Bitcoin started rising in January 2023. After that we also saw Bitcoin rising. For sure the price was changing, the price was traded in some kind of the flat between two ranges, yeah, but the indicator still showed holding Bitcoin for all the time, and in the final end, when Bitcoin hit the level of $32,000, we had the sell signal and we fixed our profits with Bitcoin rising for more than 60%, and our profit was more than 120%. The signal sell also appears as it was with signal buy, and it also similar to Moon Crypto indicator. You would need to have changing of the color for candles from red to another color. And with the signal sell, that would mean that you would need to fix your profit. Just let's see what was the trading history and what were the results of trading using this indicator on time. You had the huge rising for Bitcoin in 2017, and all those huge rises, they were catched by this indicator. More than 100% in this one trade, more than 34, more than 33, and more than 70% of profit catched by this indicator. We had more than 79% of rising catch in July 19. We had Bitcoin rising, and it was also catched by this indicator. In 2020, we had more than 297% of profit here. And we had the profit in the end of this bull cycle, and we fixed our profits at the maximum position at this level.
More than 150% of profit in 2016, more than 500% of profit in 2017, 130% of profit in 2019, more than 600% of profit in 2020, more than 10% of profit in 2021, and already more than 130% of profit in 2023. And right now we will talk about the last indicator that we have. It is called Pump It. Pump It is crypto indicator that is based on fundamental metrics. Advantages of this indicator is more frequent trades that you have and still high results.
For using this indicator, you would need to open Bitcoin USDT on Binance Pair, and you would need to use the proper chart. After that, all you need to do is just to wait for Bitcoin signal confirmation. It works the same way as it was for previous charts and for previous indicators that I already used in this video. So let's see how it worked. We have the signal buy, we have the changing of bar candles color, and then we have Bitcoin price movement. After that, you may have the signal sell. So once the signal is changed to sell, you would need to wait for the end of the trading day and for price changing and for colors changing for the bar candles. Telling about the results, let's just see what were the results for year 2023. We catch Bitcoin rising for 37% in the beginning of year 2023. So we catch this Bitcoin price movement in the March 2023, and we catch the last Bitcoin price rising starting in June 2023 and fixed our profits for more than 20%, with Bitcoin rising for 10% approximately.
So as I promised, right now I will advise on how to get an access for those indicators. Currently, we offer a 2 weeks trial period for all newcomers, so you could test this indicator yourself. All you need to do is just leave the comment under this video or follow the link under this video with our Discord channel, where you can text that you'd like to get an access for those indicators, and our team will contact you on this matter. So don't forget about the like button, leave the comment, and don't forget about subscribing this channel not to miss the next video. It was Wealth Management. Wish you to have only profitable trades.